We're back at the zoo. The animals here are always so fun, and there's always so many different ways to practice our math. Like right here. Look at this cute family of elephants. There are 3 adult elephants and 2 baby elephants. How many elephants are there in all? This is a word problem. We can use our brains to figure out how to solve it. Let's take a closer look at it. It says we have 3 adult elephants and 2 baby elephants. So, 3 and 2. Let's write that down. Okay, now what do we do with these numbers? Do we add or subtract them? Let's take another look at the problem. The problem says in all. That's a clue that we need to add. And here, we have 3 elephants and 2 more elephants. Altogether, it will be a bigger number. That's right. We need to add. High five. So, we can write a plus sign here. We are solving 3 plus 2. It's addition time. We can use our 5 frame for this. Here is our 5 frame. Let's put 3 circles for the 3 adult elephants and 2 circles for the 2 baby elephants. How many circles do you see? Well, the 5 frame is full, so there are 5 circles here. That means 3 plus 2 equals 5. So there are 5 elephants in all. Amazing! What a mighty elephant family. Oh, whoa! Check out these seals. They are making so much noise. I think they're hungry. Zookeeper Ben brought 5 fish for the seals. The seals ate 4 fish. How many are left? Okay, this is another word problem. The problem says we have 5 fish, and the seals ate 4. Hungry little seals. So, 5 and 4 are our numbers. Let's write that down. Now, are we adding or subtracting? Let's look at the problem again. I see the word left, so that's a good clue that we need to subtract. We can check that to see if it makes sense. Zookeeper Ben brought 5 fish, and the seal ate 4. So, the number of fish got smaller. Yes, we definitely need to subtract. Okay, so let's write a minus sign. Now, we can subtract. Let's use the 5 frame again. Here's the 5 frame. Now we need 5 circles for the 5 fish. So that means the 5 frame is full. Now, 4 fish were eaten. So we can take away 4 of the circles, or cross them out. How many circles are left? Just 1. That means that there is only 1 fish left for the seal to eat, because 5 minus 4 equals 1. Let's write that down. Great job! So Chen just said he saw some chimps. He said there were 2 chimps putting on a show, and then 4 more chimps came over to play. How many chimps did Chen see in all? Okay, so Chen said he saw 2 chimps, and then 4 more. So our numbers are 2 and 4. Let's write those down. Are we adding or subtracting? Let's go back to the problem. I see the word more and the words in all. Those are the clues we need to add. And that makes sense because there were 2 chimps playing and then some more chimps joined, so the number of chimps got bigger. Okay, so we need a plus sign here. Now let's add. Let's try using our fingers to help on this one. Okay, so first we need 2 fingers. 1, 2. Now, let's put up 4 more fingers. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now, how many fingers do we have up in all? Well, this hand has 5, and 1 more is 6. So, 6 equals 2 plus 4. We can write that down here. So that means Chen saw 6 chimps in all. How fun! Chen also said he went by the penguin exhibit. He said there were 7 penguins playing in the water, but then 4 got tired and took a nap. How many penguins were left playing in the water? Okay, let's figure this out. There were 7 penguins and 4 got tired, so our numbers are 7 and 4. Let's write those. Are we adding or subtracting? Well, I see the word left in the problem. That's a clue that we are subtracting. Let's also think about the story. There were 7 penguins and then 4 left to nap. So the number of penguins playing got smaller. That's definitely subtraction. Okay, so write a minus sign. Now let's subtract. Let's use a number line for this one. Here is a number line from 1 all the way up to 10. There were 7 penguins to start, so let's find the number 7. Here it is. Now, 4 penguins left. So let's count back 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. What number did we land on? 3. So there were 3 penguins left playing in the water. 7 minus 4 equals 3. Amazing work! We solved so many math problems together at the zoo. We looked carefully for words and hints at the story to figure out if we needed to add or subtract. Then, you used lots of different ways to add and subtract. A 5 frame, your fingers, and a number line. Keep practicing, mighty scholar. You're doing great.